Hi everyone. Today we're going over section 6.6, circles. In this video, we'll go over the 4 try these problems at the end of the section. Notice they want you to find the center and the radius of the circle, and they give you the general form. All 4 of these, you're given the general form of the circle. So we need to change that to standard form. You're just taking something and changing the format, water to ice, ice to water. Okay, so how do I do that? I line up the X's and line up the Y's, and I complete the square. So let's do it. First of all, x squared plus 6x, give yourself a little space, plus y squared, and I don't see another y, so you could think 0y. And then I have a negative 40 constant, which I will add to the other side. Now, do the template for completing the square. Half of b, so x plus 3 quantity squared. Then I take that number and square it and add it to the other side. Why do I do that? Because this statement says x squared plus 6x plus 9. And this statement doesn't have a plus 9. So if I'm going to change formats, I'm adding that 9. I need to add it to the other side to keep my equation balanced. Then I can look at the y's. Y plus 0 quantity squared. And I'm adding 0, so I just add 0, so I'm fine. Can I find the center and the radius? I look here and see the center will be negative 3, 0, an ordered pair. And the radius, so the right side is 49. What's the radius? The square root. So the radius is 7. Did you get it right when you tried it? Let's look at number 2. Same thing. So x squared plus 6x, and then y squared plus 14y, and then I take my constant to the other side, so minus 9. Let's follow the pattern of completing the square. Keep your sign, so x plus 3, half of that, and then I square that and add it to the other side, so plus 9. And then plus y plus half of that, 7 squared, and then I square 7 and add it to the other side. So I see that I have a center at negative 3, negative 7. That's an ordered pair. Remember, the template is x minus h and y minus k. So you're always taking that opposite sign. And then what's the radius? Well, the 9's add to 0. I'm left with 49, and the radius is the square root of that. Remember, your template is this squared plus this squared equals r squared. So the radius, again, is 7. Is that what you got? Okay, why don't you try 3 and 4 and then see if we get the same thing. Let's look at 3. X squared minus 10x plus y squared plus 4y, and then move the 20 by subtracting it to the other side. Now complete the square twice. So x, keep your sign, minus half of b. So that would be x minus 5 quantity squared. And then I add that number squared. Why? Because every time this will give you x squared minus 10x plus 25. There's an extra plus 25 in this format that doesn't occur in this format. So in order to keep the equation balanced, you need to add it to the other side. We're just changing forms. We're not adding value. And so if we added 25 here, we need to add it here. Keep going with your y's, keep your same sign, and half of b, so y plus 2, quantity squared, and then the 2, square it, is 4, and you add 4 to the other side. Okay, so what do I have over here on the right? 25 minus 20 is 5, and 5 plus 4 is 9. Can you state the center and the radius? The center would be 5, negative 2 as an ordered pair. And the radius is the square root of 9, which is 3. All right, we have one more to try. Line up the x's. So x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 4y equals, add the constant to the other side, so 4. And then do your template. X minus half of 2 is 1. And then 1 squared added to the right side. Then y, keep your sign. Half of 4 is 2. And 2 squared is 4 added to the right side. So on the right, I have 9 again. And can I state the center and the radius? The center is 1, negative 2. Remember, the template is minus, so you're going opposites. So 1, negative 2, an ordered pair, x, y. And then the radius is the square root of the right side, which would be 3 again. Good luck with circles. You got this. See you later.